KHYC menen kasngi ka khatsantarik Iakynduh ka Iakynduh baru MP ka Rajya Sabha baru Presiden Berim ka NPP u Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi ban panjingrap ban bantuklar halor ka rukom thungkam hanigrims bat kiwi parti office jangka sarkar pedeng. Da ka jingbom sngohun halor ka jing sngap menti jangka sarkar ka HYC ka bu jingkeli ya ka jingbom la jangki Nongialam ban weng ya ki jing e jangka jing kedukam jangki samla bat ka jing e ban yo admission ha ki jaka puli ki bahe. Kaseng kalapan pa balim dade ba menteri rang ba ka jala bat ka sarkar kila shin mi gisin jam ki bakhia kinomdan kum kini ki jinga ki lane ki jing tepat shaka sarkar. KHYC kala aya ka shiti show Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi da ka bakentu ya u bandra e ka jing dawa jangki ha ka jing pendungkam yiki kinthai bat chenrang kumba prapo bat 8% na ka benta ki kamnas hanigrims. Kila banjur balada ki jaka puli kum ka AIIMS kila ban pentre kam ya ka policy ka nigrims ka di ban bot ya ka nuksa ban pentikna ya ka jing yo benta jangki samla na ka jella.
As you have seen, HYC has raised issues regarding the recruitment process that was going on in Nigrims. Not only in Nigrims, but in other central government institutes. We have had a discussion with the MP of Lok Sabha, both from Shillong as well as from Tura. We have sent letters to them informing them about our various demands that we have put before the Union Minister in charge of Health and Family Welfare on the 10th of this month. Where we have made a demand that Nigrims should implement that 80 to 20 female to male ratio when it comes to recruitment of nurses in Nigrims. It is also a fact that we cannot go, all of us, the citizen of the state, cannot go and put up points before the union government. It is the MPs who have been elected, who are our representative. They should take the responsibility in order to inform the department concerned, the ministry concerned in Delhi about the concerns, about the issues that is raised in the state of Meghalaya. So based on that, we have come to meet the MP Rajya Sabha today. One is that he is the representative of the state. He is the representative of the people of Meghalaya. So whatever concerns we have, we want that he should take these concerns before the ministry in New Delhi. And secondly, we also understand that he is also representing a party, the NPP, which is part of the NDA in Delhi. So we want him also to take this responsibility, to shoulder the responsibility on behalf of the citizen of the state. We have given to him the letters, we have given to him the papers, the documents, our supporting documents to show that if AIMS can implement the 80-20% ratio, female to male ratio, if JIPMER can do, an institute of national importance can do that, why Nigrims cannot implement such a policy? So we have submitted all our documents and with a request to the Honorable MP that he should take these issues seriously, so that it does not only affect the candidates or the youths of the state for getting job in Nihu, but so that it does not affect the whole atmosphere in Nigrims itself when it comes to recruitment of nurses. He has assured us during our meeting that he will be taking up this issue seriously with the concerned ministry in New Delhi.